Hello everyone, welcome back to the Level Up SFDC channel. And today we are going to talk about custom labels in SFDC. Okay, so the topics that we are going to cover here is what are custom labels, benefits of using custom labels, usage of custom labels, best practices. So now, what are custom labels? Custom labels are the custom text message. So basically, whenever you want to store a text message and you want to use it, basically when you want to show it to the user, so these messages can be all stored in a form of custom labels. These custom labels can be accessed in Apex classes, Visualforce pages, and Lightning components. And one of the advantages, you can also translate these text messages into multiple languages. If your application is supporting multiple languages, so you can translate these messages which is stored in the custom label. So what are the benefits of using custom label? So one of the most important benefit of custom label is to standardize the messages. So now let's say you have a message and you want to standardize that message throughout the application. So we have one example here. So you cannot proceed further as you do not have the required permissions. So this message needs to be shown to the user when he or she clicks a particular button on a account page. Now the same message has to be shown when the user clicks on some other button in the opportunity page. Now using a custom label makes it standardized that the same message will be shown to the user. So it is to maintain the uniformity throughout the application. So this is one of the main advantage. And suppose if I don't want to use a custom label, if I want to hard code in multiple places, then there are chances that I can do a manual error, like I can have additional space, or I might use a wrong spelling, or I might have used a capital letter or a small letter which is not correct, right? So if we have this custom label in one place and it is being accessed from multiple pages or multiple screens, then we will show the same message which is stored in the custom labels. Now, the usage of custom labels. As we discussed, the custom labels can be used from Apex, can be retrieved from Visualforce, can be accessed from Aura, or can be also accessed from LWCs. So these are the different syntax that we have to use in order to access the custom labels. So in LWC, we need to import the custom labels in our JS file before we use those labels. So what are some of the best practices for the custom labels? So whenever we use custom labels, we need to make sure that all user facing text or the messages has to be stored in a custom label. And also it is very important to group these custom labels. Suppose if you want to uh, have the messages grouped as per the functionality, then you should prefix all those names of the custom labels so that it will be easier for accessing. And also custom labels has one field which is categories. So you can provide a category. Again, it depends, like if you're performing certain functionality, you can use that functionality name in the categories. So again, this is for ease of access of the custom labels. So we should have a clear description for the labels. That is an additional best practices. When user wants to see what is the custom label used for, you should always have a good description for it. So the next one, so how can I access custom labels via SQL query? So this is the query that you can use to access the custom labels. You need to, if you're using a Salesforce inspector, you need to check the use tooling API checkbox before you run this query. So what are some limitations of the custom labels? So Salesforce allows 5,000 custom labels to be created in an org, and each custom label cannot exceed 1,000 characters. So those are the limitations of the custom labels. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.